Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to go over why I'm not recording vlogs on the GoPro. A lot of you have asked me that because I use the GoPro as like a body cam, you know, for my shoots and stuff. So a lot of you guys asked me that. In this video I'm going to go over why I don't use it as a, you know, a vlog camera. Let's get started. So the number one reason is the background right here. As you can see, it's separated. I can't see anything. You can't see anything in the back. Oh, that's bright. So you can't see anything in the back, and that's one thing I like, you know, just that separation, you know, no distractions in the back. There can't be someone in the back trying to say, you know, trying to ruin my video. So that's one reason why I use the EOS R instead of the GoPro. Another reason is the quality of the photo, quality of the video. In this case, the quality of the video is much better than the GoPro. GoPro video just looks like it's been digitally sharpened, and just, you know, you ever go on that Instagram slider that sharpens the photo and you just push it all the way up? That's what GoPro footage looks like. So I guess that's good in some cases. That is dark. I guess that's good in some cases, but you know, in like cases like this, it's not that good. In cases like, I'm saying a lot. So in stuff, oh shit, okay, I almost fell down here. In like, you know, sports and stuff, that's good. You know, when you're biking and stuff, it's good. The digital sharpness, you know, really makes a different type of look, you know. Man, there's a lot of mosquitoes here. It's actually really nice outside today, so I wanted to do a video outside today. But yeah, so second reason is the video just looks better, looks more natural, doesn't look like it's been sharpened. So that's number two reason. So another reason is the sound quality from the GoPro is not that good. The microphones are not that good. I know there's mods and stuff you can buy. There's external adapters you can buy so you can attach a microphone like that onto it, but that just kills the purpose because GoPro, you're just taking it out of the pocket and filming it, so it just kills the purpose. So the sound quality is one, I guess, that also lands into the video, and the photo quality, I guess the video quality would be sound and photo. So I guess that's one more reason. So sound, that's the third reason. Let's look at this and this footage side by side. I'm gonna put the GoPro over there as well and see how it looks. This is coming from the EOS R and this is coming from the GoPro. As you can see, there's a huge difference in this footage, the GoPro footage, and this footage, the EOS R footage. Now the sound is coming from the GoPro, and now it's coming from the external mic on the EOS R. There's a huge difference. I can't hear anything right now, but I bet there is when I'm editing it. Also, one good thing about the GoPro, I guess you could also do that on the EOS R. You could access it from your phone. Those are good things about both of those cameras. Canon cameras have an application that you can access the footage from your phone. But main thing is the blur in the back on the EOS R and no blur in the back from the GoPro. As you can see, the GoPro footage looks really like, you know, like a phone footage. It's a camera, it's a better camera than your phone, but thing I like about the GoPro is there's different types of lenses for different scenarios. So there's an ultra wide. Let's see if I can switch into ultra wide. Okay, I'll have to stop recording and then switch into ultra wide. Oh, I guess it's called super view, actually, not ultra wide. So this is super view. As you can see, it's like a GoPro. It's round, it's super wide. But yeah, that's what I like. I guess you can buy lenses for the EOS R that are super wide. So that, and now we're gonna go into the wide mode. Let's go into the wide mode. So this is the wide mode. This is the wide mode. It looks good. It doesn't look bad. There's still, you know, you could see over here. Actually, that way right there. As you can see, the trees up there are like rounded. It's because of the lens. There's lens distortion on there. So let's go into linear mode. So this is linear mode. This is what looks normal in a GoPro. I guess like a normal camera, it won't look like GoPro footage. As you can see, the distortion in those trees is gone, and it's a little more zoomed in. What I like about the GoPro is the stabilization. You can't really see it right now because I'm not moving, but I can pick it up, and as you can see, it's pretty stable. This is not even the boost on. Let's see if I can turn the boost on from here. No. Let's see if I can turn it on. I'll have to stop recording and then turn it on. So this is the boost on. As you can see, I am moving the camera, and it's really smooth. So I can move it up and down, and it looks really good. I can see it from here. It looks really good. That's one thing I like. I guess those are a few things I like, but let's talk about something else. So one more thing. I don't even know what number we are on. I hope I'm not lost in this trail. But one more thing that I feel that is bad, or the thing that I don't like, is the size of the files is really big. I compared to the EOS R and what you get from here, it's actually bigger than the EOS R. I guess maybe recording in higher frame rates. I don't know, actually, even on 24 frames a second, it's bigger. So I don't know what's that all about. Maybe it's, I don't even know. But it is a much bigger file size than like what you would normally get for that type of quality. I guess if you compare it to a phone, I mean, obviously it's better than a phone, but if you want, that's what I'm gonna conclude the video on. If you're looking for a GoPro just because you want to start vlogging and you want to get a GoPro and you want to use it for vlogging and stuff, I would just get a better phone, or you know, just go for a phone and just vlog on your phone. And yeah, I guess that would be one reason why. I mean, don't just go out to get a GoPro for vlogging. I guess it's more of an action cam than like a vlogging camera. So, whew, that is one reason why I wouldn't get the GoPro for vlogging. I've been saying one reason, and I've said many reasons. But positive sides of the GoPro. I like the stabilization. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know how there are so many bugs in October. So one more thing is this. One thing that I like about the GoPro is a few things that I like about the GoPro is the stabilization is good. The GoPro footage is really stable. That's what I like. The sound quality is not that bad, you know. It's not as bad as like a phone, especially in the new GoPros like the 8 and 9. They've really improved the sound quality. There's no flip out screen. That's one thing that I don't like. But the new one, the GoPro 9 has a back display, so that's good. What else do I like? What else did I say that I liked? Yes, it's small, easy to carry around. You pull it out in the store, they won't kick you out. That's one thing. It's simple, you know, it's easy to use. It's got multiple lenses in one, so there's different type of video you can make with each of those lenses. But yeah, other than that, that's probably it. That's why I don't use the EOS. That's why I don't use the GoPro to vlog as much as I use the EOS R, because the quality and stuff, because of these reasons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly did, walking around this park, and there are a lot of mosquitoes here, so I'm gonna call it here. And yep, I'll see you guys in the next one.